Hey everyone. Are you looking for something to flip your lid in the color zone? Well, this is it. It's called Swinging Spring by Claudia McKinney. It is 55.8 centimeters by 55.8 centimeters. Yep, that is square. And this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. Welcome to another unboxing from Diamond Art Club. Immediately looking at this, you know it is square because it's in the blue box with the blue gem. And how do I know there's 96 colors? Because on the side, ooh, it says total diamonds 50,000 plus. It's got 95 colors, 2 Aurora Borealis, famously known as ABs, and 4 fairy dust diamonds. That is 6 specials. So let's open this baby up. Look at this beautiful display. And they have changed their boxes slightly where you just unleash your inner artist. All right, and then down at the bottom, I love that they have a picture with what is inside. So if you are storing these horizontally on a shelf, use this on the outside, or if you're doing it up and down. So we're going to open this up. It has a little finger grip and pull this right out. Charge. All right, let's spin this bad baby around. You're going to get your toolkit. Inside your toolkit, you're going to get your twist pick applicator, wax refill, stackable tray with lid and stopper, and resealable baggies. What is so cool about this pen is it already has the putty wax in it. So you're just going to twist and it comes right out. This is the single placer side. And then you've got this side, which you can pull. Oh, it in shipping, it got a little tight there, but you just pull it right out and you can put whatever you want on the end. This is a 3-placer. You can put your metal placers that Diamond Art Club sells, or if you want a different type of single placer, you can put a single placer on this end. You also have your stackable tray. As you get more Diamond Art Clubs, these things can stack on top of each other. The lid comes off. I love the lid because when I'm done for the night, I can just close, leave the color in here, and walk away. My 3-year-old is not going to get into this. And then you've got the clear wax putty, and you've got the pink putty, and you've got a 7-placer. Here's the removable stopper. All right. Let's put this lid back on and we are safe to go. And then you have your baggies in here. You can kit up with these. I usually put my extra drills back in here when I'm done. All right. Now inside, you've got your little thank you from Diamond Art Club. And look at this beautiful swinging spring. Now, this is a gold card. It says gold right here. You can also tell by this. This is my first gold card. So I now believe I have 1 silver, 1 gold, a black, and a whole bunch of bronze. I love collecting these. These are absolutely gorgeous. What else is in here? You've got stickers. These are stickers. Woo! And then your sticker sheet inside with the 95 colors. As you can see at the end, there's your specials. You can see, you can peel these off and stick them where you need for your kitting up. And then this is a sticker as well that you can put on your kit up or in your journal. And then this is a sticker too. All right, so we're going to put this back in here so I do not lose it. This is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to open it for you guys. Okay. Now, this comes in the plastic, then it comes in the box that's shrink wrapped, and then it comes in another box that's recyclable as well. So your paintings should come to you in pristine condition. with the 3 layers of hope. All right, it's got the serged edging, so if your canvas does decide to be naughty, it will not affect your actual image. Do what makes you sparkle, Diamond Art Club. While we're up close and personal, let's look at those symbols. Absolutely gorgeous. And then this is poured blue. And then you'll see here, these gray dotted lines show you that this is perforated plastic. And it's in a 4x4 square. So if you do not use release paper or covers, you can peel this off 4x4 or whatever increments you want. You also have your key. It's usually in the top left and the bottom right, but because this has so many colors, even though it's the bottom right, it goes almost all the way to the top. How fun is that? Look at this little bird. So cute. And I love her hair. Just absolutely gorgeous. These are hand charted. So you are going to get the best you can get from your artist. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. I was wondering about the rendering because it has so much detail with the different hair and such and all the beautiful colors, but I think it's gorgeous at the 22 by 22. Oh my goodness. And I love a 50. I mean, it's a 55, almost 56 by 56, but anything in the 50s, I think is a fantastic size for me. Here's her shoes with the shoelaces and the beautiful flowers down here. The swing is going to be gorgeous. I cannot wait to see where the specials are going in this beautiful. Look at these flowers over here on the right and the detail of the roping. Absolutely stunning. And the little dog, so cute. All right, I'm going to pause you so I can open up these drills, but I do want you to notice they have them labeled for you, not only with your SKU number, but also swinging spring, so you don't have to have your SKU number memorized. That's on the painting. This shows the pasting area, who the art is by, and the size down here at the bottom. All right, I'm going to pause you so I can open these. Be right back. Okay, and we're back to see these beautiful square drills and to show where the specials are. So right off the bat, you're going to have your fairy dust. It's like a mica powder you see right here. It does not come off on your fingers. It's actually in the drill itself. And where are these greens? These greens are the ski symbol, and they are scattered. Let me use my little finger here. They are scattered literally all throughout this area, and then over here in the bottom, all throughout here, and then through here. Okay, then we get to these gorgeous colors, so vibrant. Browns and the greens, 700s. All right, so now we have an AB. See how it's a little bit different with the sequence feel to it? It's Aurora Borealis, and this is 38.19, and this is the heart shape. The heart shape is right here on her knees, and then it's scattered throughout up here. So your C's are down below, but then you've got like where the light hits is where you're going to see the ABs. So gorgeous. And up here above her head too, in this area. Beautiful yellows. Those browns are just really going to pop with all these other colors. I'm going to go quickly through these so you can see. All right, so then we've got this beautiful 3801. That is a J. Now, the J's are in the red and pink flowers. There's some in the bird there, some throughout her hair, just to kind of give some here. And then, let's see, down here in her shoelaces, there's some J's as well. And in this area as well. And then some of these flowers that are a little bit off screen, this flower right here. Just going to give it a little extra pop. Okay. I love the variety. 95 colors. Okay, here's an AB. That sequence, 972. That I looked at is actually a little bit in the dog collar, and then over here in this area, and then up here, right in this area, and then I believe, where was the other one? Some up here in the corner, just to give that yellow vibrancy. Okay, and we keep going through the train. Come on, ride the train. All right, we've got another fairy dust. This one is all in her jeans. So it's the cuff of her jeans. It's scattered throughout here. And then there's a whole bunch up here. And then there's just a little bit right here, just some to give a little bit of that blue pop. Okay. I'm going to go through this. Ooh, and as you can see, the colors get less. If you didn't know, the way that Diamond Art Club machines are is the larger, it goes large to small in weight. So that's why as you get down to the train, bottom of the train, for the inner part, oh, here's the purple. The purple was the one with the least amount, I think, when I was looking. It's a little bit in the dog hair, a little bit in the jeans right here for shadowing, and then a bunch up here in these purple flowers. So that's why as you get to the inner part of your drills, there's less in the baggies. Absolutely gorgeous. Look, this is all the 310 there is in this beautiful canvas. For those of you who are getting done with something that has a whole bunch of 310 in it, this image might be a bit of a breather to give you some more color. All right, there we go, and we're at the end. 335. All right, so this is absolutely stunning. I would run out and buy it or put it on your wish list. You will not be disappointed. It is square again. Oh, I missed this one. There was one more. I am so sorry. This is the, you clapped, and I came back out. I think it's the white I'm looking for. Let's speed through this and get to the white. Because that was an AB. I thought it was an AB. Nope, I guess it's not. I faked myself out. I thought there was white AB. Oh my goodness. So I hope you love this image as much as I do. Oh my gosh, this artist is amazing. I love anything Claudia McKinney. So thank you for sharing your work with us, Claudia. Really appreciate it. And thank you for those who did the hand charting on this image to really help it pop. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.